Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best Blessed Dad Tumbler, a perfect gift for any dad who deserves to feel appreciated every day. Whether it's for Father's Day, a birthday, or just to show your love, this 20-ounce stainless steel coffee travel mug is designed to impress both in style and function. Right off the bat, what sets this tumbler apart is its beautiful and lasting design. Crafted by NUI Living, it features a sleek navy blue finish with heartfelt lettering that celebrates the special bond between a dad and his family. The design is not just printed on, it's made to last with artwork that won't fade or peel, so your dad's tumbler stays looking fresh and vibrant even with everyday use. But it's not just about looks. This tumbler is made from high-quality stainless steel and utilizes double-wall vacuum insulation technology. This means it keeps hot drinks steaming for hours and cold drinks icy fresh for up to 12 hours without sweating or condensation. Whether your dad loves his morning coffee, iced tea, or even a cold cocktail on the go, this tumbler will keep his drink at the perfect temperature. Another key feature is its travel-friendly design. The tumbler fits comfortably in most car cup holders and is lightweight enough to carry around all day. It comes with a BPA-free press and lid that's clear, so your dad can easily see what's inside and enjoy a spill-minimized drinking experience whether he's commuting, working, or relaxing outdoors. When it comes to practicality, this tumbler is reusable and easy to maintain. Hand washing is recommended to preserve its finish and insulation, but the durable construction ensures it stands up to daily wear and tear. At just 14 ounces, it's the perfect size to keep your dad's favorite beverages handy without being bulky. This tumbler is a wonderful choice for anyone looking for a meaningful, functional gift for their dad, husband, or father figure. It's versatile enough to be a new dad gift, a birthday surprise, or a thoughtful Christmas present. It carries a message of love and appreciation that resonates deeply and makes every sip feel special. To sum it up, the best Blessed Dad Tumbler by NUI Living combines heartfelt sentiment with top-tier insulation technology and durable design, making it a standout product for any dad who enjoys his drinks on the go. If you want to gift something that's both practical and meaningful, this tumbler is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.